Rick at the stem here. Look at this old beast. 2007 21-inch iMac. Today we are going to throw in a solid state 512 gigabyte hard drive and make this old machine like new again. It is going to scream for its age. So out with the old, in with the new. And this 2007 iMac with a brand new solid state hard drive installed now starts up in about 22 seconds. It's not bad for a 10-year-old machine. And right there. Draw those icons. We're ready to go. See if you have an old iMac that could use a bit of a speed boost, give us a call at the stem, 403-619-9121. We support Apples.